Hi everyone, Flying Brian here. We've just arrived in England after spending the last 24 hours getting here from North Carolina. Our good friend Matt picked us up at the Manchester airport, and we are about to go out and explore the Cheshire area of England. All right, we're at Vale Royal Abbey.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, we spent 25 hours on the airplane getting here.
And now we're on the traffic jam.
Three engines of the two engines on the airplane broke. We're on the motorway for how long, Matt? That was like 17 hours to get from the airport to the house.
Yeah.
But we're finally here, and we're wide awake. And we're at the Vale Royal Abbey here in Cheshire. Look at this thing. Wow. Fantastic. This was once the largest abbey in the UK in England. Today, the Abbey is known more for its golf and event venue than it is for its rich past, which started in 1270 when the Abbey was founded by Lord Edward. Unfortunately, the Abbey suffered in a variety of ways over the centuries. It was racked by fire at least twice, and partly destroyed by a severe storm on another occasion. Then, actions taken by King Henry VIII forced the closing of the Abbey, and the property was sold off. It ended up in the hands of Thomas Holcroft, one of Cheshire's gentry in the 1540s. Holcroft tore down the church and built a mansion in its place. The property became an estate home and passed through several different families from the 1540s until just after World War II, when the home was converted to a golf club. The original Abbey has been lost to time. What you see today is Thomas Holcroft's original estate house after 300 years of additions and alterations. All right, give us a rating on the Vale Royal Abbey, guys. What do you think it is?
Ready? 10.
10. Strong score. Very, very nice. Excellent. This is the beautiful, tranquil mill pond next to Alton Park, near the town of Little Budworth. And while the mill is long gone, the pond remains, providing sanctuary to a variety of wildlife. Matt has brought us over to the Cheshire Workshops near the town of Beeston in Cheshire. Let's go inside. They offer a variety of family activities that you can do with your children, like crafts and candle making. Plus, they have a large selection of candles and other gifts. Take a look at this old stove. A short walk from the workshops, down Pennsylvania Lane, atop this hill, looking out toward Chester, is this. The Pheasant Inn. A perfect place to get a pint, or in our case, a pot of tea or cup of coffee. Go out onto the patio Sit back, relax, and take in the view.
Oh, yeah.
All right, go ahead. Rate it.
Lovely tea.
We have some tea. What is the name of the
The
place?
biscuit was stunning. It was 20.
What was it?
20.
No, there was a little adjective in there.
Friggin' 20.
It's a 20 out of 10. It's not just 100%, it's 200%.
Have a sugar, Bri.
The inn not only serves drinks and food, they also have a few rooms as well. That will do it for us. It is time to return to the house, to freshen up and to rest up. Remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching. All right.
We have to wait for him to tell us.
Wait a minute, what is the name of the Royal?
Vale Royal Abbey.
All right. Right,
Welcome to my
3,
life.
2.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Go ahead. Rate it.
Lovely tea.
We have some tea. What is the name of the
The
place?
biscuit was stunning. It was fucking 20.
What was it?